Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create dark aesthetic filter in the Capcut apps. For example, I'm going to open my project, so you can see, and I'm going to add the dark aesthetic filter. So just click on the clip and select adjust. But before I'm going to select filters, scroll to the right until you find fade. Just click on it, click check mark and click adjust and adjust body contrast, saturation, exposure, and then highlight, shadow, temperature, and then pad, click check mark. So you can see the final result like this. Here we go. Yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was super for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.